Asigi speech on the motion of thanks to the governor's address ta I saruga hanbidamak thagachari hanbada aina constitutional ki office oiba governor ki office po ini kai kumnajari loinana asigi address honorable governor na pibiramba address asi sarkar asigi policy amasung performance reflect over adigumba address amani masida haksu saru khara yajage amasung when I went through masida akoigi amendment khara tahun jiningba aina thamjari aina I to the point the laksage sir masigi government ki policy amadi government ki performance masi honorable governor na sarkar ki yamna detail over potu thambi khraba matungda aikoi member khudimakna masi examine tawba haibatugi tangai fadaba lai maram masina wafam singsi aina thamjabni sir tasengna ngasi aikoi gi state asida thoiba thodo wathok mayam masi mayam singsi yenguba masu honorable governor na pb khiba address adugati ground the lady basiga aduki matik taiwan nakre it's become a different story aduna maram workanda ngasigi law and order tongan ba department yankhai gi maya around 48 departments the paikaliba government gi paikaliba thabak mayam sing asi taiwan na badawna ground di ui maram sina sir masigi laidiba prajagi welfare law and order, the question of life in the properties of the people of Manipur. Loinana, masigi uriba mayam sing asida di aduki matik Taiwan na kresar. Ngasi law and order gi matangda honorable governor na thambiki basida tasengna yamna praja singi awaba mayam sing ground the laiba reality masigi laiba mayam sing si urubada as a member yamna nuaitaba fawi sir honorable governor ki man pg based masigi address asida law and order ki matang sidai ahanbada hauraga thambiri basi laiba afaba wafam khara khaktang sum highlight tawraga chatkhiba aduga reality at the ground adumadi parimata reflect tawbidabasi masigidamagta nuaitaba feel tawi maramdi sir hauji 60,000 hena lairiba unrest situation in the state sida masigi sarkarna October thada laktokhiba 3 phases of resettlement plan madu December the loiki that was the announcement of the state government madu gi lairiba 3 phases of resettlement plan du kaya yamna pangthokre thabak oina tawkre haibasi yam clear oiba picture ma koina uba phangdi maramaduna madu gi sunungai to fawi and after that 3 phases of resettlement plan there was again one announcement for the resettlement plan adu the sumuk that will be ending by 31st March tha ahum January Feb then March ki tang 38 da ani suba phase ama sarkar na laktokhi hai basida su masi complete toba ngamagani haina laktokhi madusu hai ba government announce tokiba mayam singidu on what ground and why it was failed to bring a solution and the resettlement to their respective homes haibasisu clear picture of the thamde aduna ekhoida sarkarna lakhoi portu praja singna samamnaba adum lei then IDP sing relief camp da leiba mayam sing da su sarkarna di lakhok pi banina madu karigi लाउथोखरबा मतुंगदा मदुगी लाउथोइबा पेरेड तु लोयर कांदा this and that amasung sarkar gi chahi imagi report achievement performance asidai sida masigi clear oina thambida basi kari gino haibasi if you want to accept then sarkar gi performance amasung policy haibasi only afaba khakta haigidabra then ngamdaba sing part sing dudi nainabada what is the harm to discuss on the floor of this August house aduna amasung masu karimata thambida basina maram orikanda lairiba aggrieved people affected people mayam sing tasu adum confidence masi sagat pangam da badawna u badawna tawi maramaduna makhoida amna confidence oiba adagi thajaba sarkar na soiraba su ngamdraba su madu sibakti ngamdri ekhoina lakthokiba mayam sing adu masi pangthokpa ngamdri haibasi mayam adagi IDP sing adagi general public sing da khanghalabadi border communities madugi hena amuk phagalkani haibasu aina thajabadi thami adubu haiba potu amata udabasi masigidamukta nuaite sir loinana sugumba thodo wathok kaya thokre manipur da hanasu but hojik aikoi thoi masi thoi basigi responsibility and the accountability si government central government and state government masida reflect tauri basi some 500 crores masigi relief ki amasung yum sabagi masa khara around 500 crore gumba masigi sanction tawgre hairaka masina enough oidia sir masidi whatever the amount may be masidi aikoi India government ki responsibility amasung state government ki responsibility oibanina madu thousands of crore oiba yai madu ki damak ni ekhoi ngasi democracy chatpa lebak da ekhoi gi leiba state federalism ekhoi gi leiba state central government amasung state government leiba se aduna kari gi damak da masi gi achauba ekhoi gi measures si lokhati bino haibasu masi aina hangningi aduna masi reflect tawida basi masi nuaite sir loinana masi di unrest oiba situation sarkar gi oiba matam gi piriba amasung announcement tawriba paikhaliba thabak sing chi pendabadi aduki matik laikre mayam the failure of the law and order sida intelligent fail oibagi wafam kaya state government adum matam gi haikibale adu mayam sing adu aikhoina loinamak na hongna ningsingudrabasu sir aikhoi mayam punamakna as a member of this house adagi parja khudimangna question hangi sir road map amadi masi karamba kanda loisin gani central government amsung state government ga masi tied up tawri hairaga masi karamba kanda loisin ni karamba akoi solution ama porakani what will be the solution of the government haibasidi mipung kudimakna hangi sir masi karigidamakta why the government is silent on it haibasi adum miyam parjana hangi basi khumbada kari kai masi khumnana tawbiyu aduga madu sarkar ki policy khudimak plan khudimak ta reflect tawbiyu haibasi su thamjari sir loinana sir masigi aikhoina hojik wariba unrest law and order si marakta honorable governor na piriba address sida lamda masigi naharol singi uneducated youth sing thabak phangdabagi awa si ubada to kimati wa khresa masi naha singi kangaunaba vision leirataba future leirataba naha mayam sing asina ngasi phattaba wakhal kaya khalaga tawning bata tawba social media da tongan ba illegal activities mayam ama tawri basi masigi sarkar na policy ama oina thabak phangdaba sigi kari tawri haibasi chaw khraba point 158 sarkar ki policy honorable governor ki speech 158 asida amata ude sir naha singi damakta aikhoi gi thabak pinena bigi policy program sida lere asobo package ama central government am state government ka tied up tor kan da pirani haibasi 158 point sigi governor gi honorable governor gi speech asida unemployment di pandi palli aduga kai thok taba vision leitaba sanction leitaba unemployment solution sibu kari haina kaugade sir unemployment solution ki damakta di achauba package ama changi achauba scope ama changi achauba industry sing entrepreneur maya ama semgat padu madugi scope tu di ipan pandana atumak chakhi basi masi gi paaba matam de nuai te sa aduna unemployment gi naha sing gi thabak phangna nabi damakta achauba asama pina nabi damakta naharol singda masi manipur gi situation then thawak phangdabagi leiriba tanja sidehida masi emen macha ama tobiraga masi naha singda asama bibiragadi yamna phagani haibasi aina asa tawi sir loina sir masidi myam punamakna khangi praja singna khangi ekhona khangi inflation thui masigi inflation haibasidi artificial inflation ni in India sir Manipur is the highest masi koi atop state sing sir under 5%, say 3%, 4%, 5%. 5 is the maximum in different states of India, but in Manipur it is 10% inflation. Sir atuna masigi asumba masigi Manipur gi padrasi wari base kari kita makta governor ki honorable governor ki address is pandidri bano masi palhanjaningi masi solution ma porakna na bida makta sarkar ki policy wariba governor ki address sarkari achievement sing asida sida masi ki target leba mission leba adigumba porama masi ki inflation thoiba Manipur gi artificial inflation masi thoiba khushiem gi inflation thoiba sisu hapa kanda masi ki handana na bagi hotna bagi sarkar gi madugi planning ado udabase masi fil tawi nungaite sir loina na sir ngasi sarkar sigi policy da tapna phagalakpadi oisanu sir phaju phagalai aduga aikhoi gi leiba free movement hojik oibasi leiktaba leikhidaba si kuire aduna chahi ahum phadore sir masi leitabasina aikhoida kaya sadharan pajada wakre satra sing sports person sing anaba sing masigi expenditure mayam aikoi maraktasu honorable member mayam sing adai mawangi minister kayana akoi adum khana neinaba ministry da kaida demand tabu ko padum ubi khibaduni aikoi gi leiba free movement leitabasina achauba aikoi gi constitutional madugi provision mayam sing adu leitabana maram kanda aikoi punamaki hak sing mayam sing si phangdana leiri maram aduna sir masi panbiraga pandam ama oina sarkar ki planning ama oina masi ki free movement si athu badal hena naba hotnabagi wafam do madu yaura kanda madu changjilabadi yamna phagani khali maram aduna masi yaw khidabasi su nungaite sir loinana ai point di hanjanjaroi honorable member senior member honorable former chief minister na habi khibadu 15 finance commission sir sigi finance ki part sida yaubi kiba address sida yau kibsi finance and planning paragraph 24 da sir masigi yau ribo mayam sing se finance which is the backbone of our people of our government sir masida aikoi lai ibasi finance da GST ki income tax ki lakpa then adugi progress kakta masi utpasina that cannot achieve our target sir finance ki position si aikoi ki borrowing kakta da it is more than 20,000 crore which is near to be budget of this today's budget 20,000 crores ki borrowing and madugi interest mayam singaga di aikoi ki budget lakpa interest adum pi hibagi wafam lai sir why the honorable governor is not mentioning the deficit and borrowing and in every month sir we are going to pay around 500 crore for the interest sir so that is not also mentioned so financial no we are having a lot of problem and again sir This, under the 15th Finance Commission, we are not getting the funds for the urban local bodies, Panchayati Raj institutions, and the autonomous district councils, which is around to be 629 crore. And again, sir, this 15th Finance Commission is going to be ended by 31st March. If it is passed, then we will not get this around 629 crores. I got this detailed data from the, say, Google and this from the these digitals. So this is a very huge amount. And sir, under this 15th Finance Commission, there are this tied and untied fund, which is a grant of grant in aid from the central government, and it is a very much mandatory. Is a provision of the Constitution. The people of Manipur should get this 15th Finance Commission. So why it is not mentioning? Is a 66,029 crores is a very huge amount, and that too, this is also grant in aid. This huge amount is not mentioning in this finance and the planning. So I am so not happy because this is mentioning. It is not mentioning in this finance department, sir. So masigi chauraba GST income then ati macha macha khak palakanda achauba huge amount ma, sir. Aina masigi matang sida finance commission ki 16th finance commission ki lakpadai party ki wena represent taru ke yauri. The 16th finance commission is going to be started from 1st April 2026. Sir, masigi chi sarkar na special approach sama tawdragati sigi around sigi hundreds of crores si mangrani, sir. Sigi free the pirakada pusani state ki component jawu da bunati masigi free the pirakada paisa se masi kari gi phangdino hairgadi, sir, mamang da sulan khange aduga masigi ADC ki chahi manga election tawdre adagi municipality ki or urban local body ki chahi mari hena vote tawdre Panchayat Raj institution ki vote chahi ahum hena tawdre, sir. Aduna aikoi gi phangpham thokpa lem na phangadaba grant in aid se masi phangdabani hai. Then sir, asugumba achauba lairaba state Manipur asigi achauba sinpham ama manggadabasi karigidamakta address asida mention tawbidribno sini aina laksariba point, sir. It is a very important and very serious, sir. Basi aikoi flood ki matang sida palli basi yamna thoidokna kasuk panbiram da basi ai nuaite flood sida, sir. Only point ani khaktang thambirami masina adagi point paragraph number 96 ta under the flood management and the border area program, the project on critical flood control and anti-erosion works in Manipur River Basin within an approved cost of rupees 460 crore. Hi, sir. Masigi thabak masigi sida. Sir, huziki chatliba 2025 ki chatkiba sigi chahi sida Manipur da ahum lak ising chawki masigi failure se masi kari ki panpidabnu masigi chahi amadabu aikoi ki Manipur, including the some part of hill area, masigi valley area sida masigi paisa kaithok na masigi chahi mad ahum floods ki damage lehin basi karigino hai basi masi panbide masida kaya yam mangre, sir. Irang na sokhalaba Manipur asida ising ahum lak chawgi awaba ngasi phawda yum semba ngamduna lei masigi compensation si thangnaba state tadi thousands of crore package have been given to Assam, and why not in Manipur? Asigi chahiba da ahum lak solaba parjasing na kayam waram kadage adagi yum thumgiba ngagi ising on thumgiba low sokiba mayam sing adugumba damage mayam sing it was not mentioned in the address of the honorable governor. So I am not happy, sir, because masigi si yamna maru parja the disaster adagi damage thokiba mayam sing thousands of houses were damaged. Aduga masi wahi yam hopan biram dosi masi yamna live active ni sir. Aduna sir development works ki and tena thamjarabada works department ki masi sahi ahum ekoi work program sem kidre adugo anoba sarkar lakpasida mami khara tai ekoi sahi ahum gi development tawdabasina MLA khudima kendra da haidaba war lambi da sat ingai da sir masi gi gari da laukchlei lambi se ongtang yengbiyo ana aduna masi gi lambi gi amadi manipur da paikhatliba national highway gi myam sing se masi fajana in detail yaudaba si dungaiti aduna masi haying department wise ta lakchage hen detail loina aduna masi achauba package ama pinana bagi sarkar na khanadragadi aikoi being the member of this August house aikoi si aduki mati awaba mayam ma leire sir masi yam cancel oiba matter mani sir loina de sir artist sing ngasai honorable minister Sri Govind Das Kothojamna proposed to Wikibada Magi speech da art and culture gi ya officer masigi art and culture se hauzik Manipur gi sida yauri basidi sahi kaya gi mamang dagi leira aba sagol kangje gi wari amadi lai harau gi wari mayam sidi panjabagi wani masida sarkar ki policy ude sar ratan chiam saknai raba laikhidraba mahaki laiba king of theater even the government of India na mahak the international akhoi gi afauba maestro king of theater ni adu even the government of India the prime minister of India magi condolence message pak thambi khidi aduga masidi kana gumba state amada gs amana lakpa gum lakpa dauna ngangba sagol kangje gi lai harauba gi wafam khara thamba dauna thambani sar sidi masidi government gi policy hana lejaraba ki traditional leiba mayam sing adu reflect tawga khara ngangwani government gi oiba policy asawo package asawo development mayam UNESCO da Sangit Natak Academy adugi nominate tawkibagi wari masidi it is not that the people the artists of Manipur wants masidi hojik artists in the wari basing sidi sir adugi matik wa gre irang gi wa bani senthung gi phifam gi wa bani then hojik lengpham chafam leibin te aduna asawo packaging tawidana thabak phangnana bagi program kaya sinbiba adugu mayam sing aduni koinu pamjarabdi maramdi because it is the reflection of the government. It is the government which is going to implement, which is going to job for the artists. Aduna sir, masi leiba pose, masi di only just powder thabani haini khali sir. Aduna maram aduna sir, masi akhui artist singi su masi fajana masi gi paisa kaithopina ba plan si akhui gi budget laiba si dei hapiram gani khali akhui pablo lojedri aduna masi mamang the honorable governor na piki basida di karimte yaude just art and culture adagi then aikoi gi hanagi culture se phajai amasung masi yam idiasi goi bang haktani haibasidi guest amana achauba VIP guest ama Manipur laga haigada bani adun hani khali adun masi men tawkanda paisa sanction thabak pinarba Manipur ki nahasing adi artist sing thabak pinanaba adugum wafum kaya da thamjaningi aduna roi bede sir ngasi aikoina pamjari bedi sir development ki program leiba masida initiate tawbiba sarkar na adagi masida thambiriba policy mayam singa se masi CS da document sida nati aikoina pamjabedi the people of Manipur want sir aikoi high development program mayam singa se masi parja common parja mayam de yoba maduni pamjari bedi sir aroi beda sir Santi Kidamak, Loinana, Justice, Development, Adagi, Mipum Kudimaki, Pajami, Pum Kudimaki, Lives, Nakwa, Sakar Sina, Madugi, Policy, Adagi, Performance, Mayam Singado, Upiu, Haiduna, and the Tamjari. Thank you, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, for giving me opportunity to deliver some points on the speech on the motion of thanks of the Governor's address. Thank you, sir, once again.
Honorable members, magi amendment